Hello students. Now in this video we will continue the lesson HCF and LCM. But first of all we will see what is HCF. What is the long form of HCF? The long form of HCF is highest common factor, or it is also called as greatest common divisor. So, if we want to learn what is highest common factor or greatest common divisor, first of all we will split the terms and we will see one by one. First we will see what is a factor or divisor. Okay, here I have taken an example. 42, only one number I have taken, that is 42. But I have divided the same number by 2, 3, 7, 6, 14, 21 and 42. Let us see what will be the remainder of this one. So 2 ones are 2. It remains, 2 twos are 4, 0. This way I'll take here 2 ones are 2. Now the remainder becomes 0 here. Now we'll see this 42 divided by 3. Okay, 3 ones are 3. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. I'll take this 2 here. Now the number becomes 12. 3 fours are 12 and the remainder is 0 here. 42 divided by 7. 7 6 are 42. 42 minus 42 is equal to 0. Again the remainder is 0 here. 6 sevens are 42. Again the remainder is 0 here. 14 threes are 42. Remainder is 0 here. 21. So, what is the table of 21 now? 21 ones are 21. 21 twos are 42. The remainder is 0. 42 ones are 42. The remainder is 0. So, now we'll see what are the factors or divisor. The numbers which are changed here. We have divided 42 by different numbers. We have divided 42 by different numbers. These different numbers give the same result, that is the remainder is 0 here, and that's why the different number by which the 42 is divided and the remainder is 0, that numbers are called as factors of 42. Factors of the number 42, because when I divide 42 by these different numbers, the remainder becomes 0. And when the remainder becomes 0, that number are called as the divisor or factors of 42. Have you understood what are factors or divisor? Now, I'll take two numbers. Okay, the same number 42 and 70. Now, I will write in front of this by which numbers is 42 divided. That means the remainder becomes 0. I have told you previously, by 1, by 2, 3, 6, 7, then 14, 21 and 42. Now the same I will do here we have seen that 42 is fully divided by 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21 and 42. The same I will take for 70. 1, 2, 5, 7, 70 comes in the table of 7. That means 70 is divided fully by 7. 10, 14. It is also divided by 14. Okay? And 35 and 70. See here now. 42 is totally divided by all these numbers. 70 is totally divided by all these numbers. That means all these numbers are the factors of 42 and all these numbers also are the factors of 70. Now we will see the concept common. This is very easy to know that. We will remove what is common in both of them. Okay? 1 is common here also and here also. 2 is here. Now see, we will see 14 is common here. Okay? 7 is common here. Okay? So, common factors. What are the common factors which are here also and here also? 1, 2, 7 and 14. These are the common factors which are the factors of 42 also and which are the factors of 70 also. So, common factors. First of all, we have seen what are factors. And next, we have seen that what are common factors. And very easiest one, we have to, from these common factors, we have to select the highest or greatest factor, that is 14. 14 is the highest factor or greatest factor here. Greatest common factor is, greatest common divisor is 14 here. This is called as HCF or greatest common GCD. Have you understood? Okay. Now, I want to tell you that if I want to tell what are the factors of 14, we have already recited the tables, but after some instant we can't say the tables or we can't remind the tables. That's why here 70, we don't know the table of 35. We don't know the table of 42. We don't know the table of 70. Okay? And that's why for how to take the factors of the big number, that we have to see in the next video. How to see or how to learn the highest common factors of big numbers. For that there are rules and we will see these rules in next video. Thank you very much.